Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel. In the last session, we had seen how you can integrate a freeware, a free LLM which is provided by Olama, in which we use Code Llama with Spring AI. So that was just for a beginner's level, just to start with, to play around with Spring and Olama to create a chatbot. Okay, but today we'll see how we can integrate the LLM model provided by AWS, which sits in Amazon Bedrock. Okay, so those who are searching for the first time, they can just search for Amazon Bedrock. Okay, and once this loads on the left side, if you scroll down, you will see test and a playground. So you just click on the playground. Playground is nothing but to play along to get familiar with the LLMs which are provided. So you select a model and you can select any provider. Okay, now Amazon, Anthropic, DeepSeek, Google, Meta, OpenAI. So these are the providers. These are not the LLMs. These providers, they provide LLMs for us, which we train or use to chat. Okay, so we have Anthropic. This is one of the trending ones that provide cloud family of LLMs. Okay, we have this DeepSeek, we have Google. Google Gemini was also there, but not sure why it is not available now. We have Meta. OpenAI is there. OpenAI provides ChatGPT. So we'll go with Amazon. Anthropic also. Okay, fine. Yeah, anything. We'll go with Amazon. Okay, this is just for practice. Okay. Okay, so before selecting a model, please be aware of the pricing. So I have this AWS pricing uh, document with me. I'll share it in the description. So as you can see, their pricing provided for text, image, videos, audios. Okay, and this price is per 1M input tokens, and you can see price per 1M output tokens. Now, what does this mean? Input and output tokens. Okay. Now, when we access an LLM, we provide prompts. Prompts means say a question to which we get the answer. Now, say we provide a question, hi, how are you? Okay. So those hi, how are you? So there are and a question mark. So these are words. Okay, these words are further broke down into subwords, further broke down into characters, and the number of characters denote the number of tokens. So, okay, in layman's term, I'm explaining. Okay, these characters denote the number of tokens. So we have price per 1M input. So hi, how are you? Which will be around, say, roughly around 15 characters, roughly, okay, around 15 characters. And we have price per 1M output token, means there will be an output, okay, which the LLM will give you. That output contains how many characters, how many words, how many subwords. So based on that calculation, the cost is estimated. Okay. Uh, so if you scroll down, if you see for every model, okay, how much they charge. So now if you see, I went with Amazon Nova Micro, which is the very least I can see amongst this. Okay, the the basic one you choose has very less features. Okay, and the higher one you choose obviously has many more features to it. Okay, so I've gone with Amazon Nova Micro. So those who are doing it for the first time for practice, for knowledge gain, they can go with Nova Micro. Okay, if you all have some high resolution things to do, then you all can select that one. Okay, so I'll provide this page in the description, and we'll go with Amazon Nova Micro. So yeah, we'll go with Nova Micro. Okay, and we'll click apply. So this is nothing but if you have used ChatGPT, right? So this interface will be familiar to you all. Okay, so they sent write a prompt. So we'll write a prompt. Hi, how are you? Okay, we don't want to put hi, how are you? You can put what is AWS. Okay, now these are words. Words will be broken down to sub words. We'll see that. I'll put everything in upcoming lectures. Uh, just understand what I'm saying for now. Okay, I'll put everything in the upcoming lecture. So what is AWS? Okay, 4, 5, 6, and total 9 to 10 tokens are there in this. Now, if I hit enter, I'll get a response. Okay, now this has so many words. These words will be further broken down to subwords, and those subwords will be broken down to characters generating tokens. Okay, so we got a response in quick. Okay, quickly we got the response. So now same thing we'll try to implement using Spring Boot. Okay, so let's go to Spring AI. We'll initialize an application. We'll create an application. I'll show you what dependencies are required. Okay, yeah, now main part. In order to access Amazon Bedrock through Spring Boot application, you all know, right? We need some kind of identification so that application recognizes, okay, it is to connect to this particular account. So better go to IAM. In IAM, you all can you have users. So I've created this create a user. Okay, add the security credentials. Okay, I just give the Amazon Bedrock full access for now. Okay, based on your requirements, you all can give those permissions. Permissions can be attached from here, from add a permission. Okay, or you can create an inline policy. But again, it's just here. Okay, add permissions. If you go add attach policies directly, and if you search for Amazon, okay, Bedrock. So whatever uh, you all want permission policies, you all can add it. Okay, so yeah, if you check out my previous videos, I've covered all this. So go to security credentials and we'll just add an access. Yeah, I've already added it, but I think I've lost. Okay, okay, I have it, I think. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's go to Spring AI. So we'll go to Spring Initializer and okay, so same we need Maven Java version. Okay, um, we'll put some group ID com dot aws dot bedrock. Okay, and artifact demo. Okay, you can change it. Go to properties and add dependencies. Obviously, we need Spring Web. We need to create a controller to access the API. And let's see if yeah, Amazon Bedrock A, Amazon Bedrock Converse. Okay, and so now now this support is for Bedrock Core and Titan embedded models. Okay, we'll go to Amazon Bedrock Converse AI. Okay, Amazon for Amazon Bedrock. Okay, we'll go with this one. Okay, so generate. Yes, so I've imported the Spring Boot application in my ID, and one change I did, I changed the Bedrock dependency to Bedrock model converse uh, dependency. Okay, because it gives support to multiple models, whereas the Bedrock gives support only to Titan and Cohos model. Okay, so we'll do some settings in application or properties. Settings related to Bedrock. So we have Spring AI Bedrock dot Spring region. Okay, and we'll put the region. Okay, then we have Spring dot AI dot Bedrock dot um, what we have. Okay, we have Converse dot chat dot model options dot model. Okay, so we'll now in which model we want to play around with. So we'll go with yeah. So to take the model, you can go to the model catalog. Okay, in model catalog, we'll go with Nova Micro only on what we practice today. So go to providers. We have Amazon. Yeah, there will be Nova Sonic, Nova Light, Nova Micro. Click on Nova Micro, scroll down. You get the model ID. Copy the model ID and we'll put it in here. Okay, now we are good with the model ID. Okay, and also you need to configure your spring.ai.aws Bedrock AWS access key and spring.ai.bedrock.secret key. Okay, so if you all have generated access key and secret key, do provide it here. Okay, now we'll create a controller plus Bedrock controller. Okay, let's mark it as at the rate rest controller. Okay, and yeah, so we used chat client, right? So again, we'll need private chat client. Okay, and we'll initialize this using the constructor. Yes, so public bedrock. Okay, and bedrock controller. Okay, sorry, controller. Okay, now we'll initialize chat client using chat model. Okay, now why we need chat model is chat model will have all the information related to the Bedrock AWS configuration. Okay, like what model we want to query on. If you don't provide the model, you'll may ending up getting an exception that chat model is required. Okay, it's mandatory. So how you can do that? Can do chat model. Okay, it's again an interface chat model. Okay, and what how you need to configure this? This dot chat client. Okay, and chat client dot yeah. See, it creates it provides a create method with chat model. So we already have the chat model. Okay, so our initialize is done. So this chat client contains all the information related to AWS Bedrock model. Earlier we didn't provide this chat model because we didn't uh, it was directly running it in our locally, but here we are providing some basic configurations related to AWS and where the model is been hosted. um, so let's go and create a mapping. So we'll do get mapping and say okay, get mapping slash chat. Okay, and public string bed, bedrock converse. Okay, will take at the rate request parameter. Okay, value prompt string prompt. Okay, and will directly return from here chat client dot prompt. Okay, prompt. So there are two instances. So we'll take the string one and we'll add our prompt dot call dot context. Okay, so this is how we'll be declaring it. Okay, now let me Okay, I'll need this access key and secret key. Let me add that. Uh, I'll be disabling it after. Yeah, make sure whatever access key and secret key you all are creating, don't keep it for too long in your account. Uh, so let me run this application. Run as Spring Boot app. Okay, our server has started. Let's go to Postman. Okay, so localhost and prompt. What is AI? Explain in one line. Okay, what is AI? What is, we can go to AWS Bedrock. Okay, and we hit enter. Okay, so we got some response. AWS Bedrock is a service. Okay, model deployment and all scalability. Okay, so we got the response. Okay, uh, let's try generate code to add to numbers in Java. Okay, it provided uh, the output. Okay, yeah, so this is what we practiced today. We, on the last session, we used Code Llama tool, and today we have used Amazon Bedrock. In the next sessions we'll see how we can fine tune Amazon the LLM models in Amazon Bedrock, how we can implement the RAG, like how we can provide our own data source, our own data to Amazon, and we'll play around with that. We'll create some PDF and we'll upload it, and we'll check like if we can query based on the PDF whether it gives the exact response or somewhere nearby based on the temperature values. We'll see all that in the upcoming sessions. We'll also see guardrails. Guardrails means what prompts are allowed, or if you want to deny any prompts, so how you can handle that. We'll see that as well. So there's lot much to come. Please stay tuned and please do like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Thank you. Thanks for watching.